Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to Paradise Beach. It's not called Paradise Beach, but it looks like a paradise, right? It's so zen. It's crazy. It's so nice. It's hot. It's almost summer again, I would say. But yeah, take a look. Let's take a little stroll again. This is a little bit of an update every day. It's just very nice at the moment. Oh, that's my friend. Oh, look at this Canadian. Is he talking?
Where are you? Where do you live?
I want to have an autograph. How you doing, man?
Good, man. Good to see you guys.
I just texted you.
Did you?
You want to have dinner today?
Maybe.
All right.
Yeah, maybe. My mom went to Dr. Bao
Okay.
and Robert for a little bit of cleaning. You guys went to
okay.
that dentistry.
Yeah.
I've been there too.
Okay.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Excellent quality. Some stuff is a little bit on the more
Oh,
expensive
Zuckerschnute,
side.
here. Markus. Zuckerschnute.
You know Social Sammy.
Social
You
Sammy.
know him? Famous YouTube in the day. Yeah,
I've known him today.
yeah.
It
Let me
is
double
beautiful.
check on the
Yeah.
dinner.
So this is also what Da Nang is about. Da Nang is like a little village. We just did some interviews today in German for our German channel, and it is crazy how small this little world is here in this little beach part. Da Nang is a big city and Da Nang has so many beach parts, but this is of course the most packed ones, but also it's just the prettiest. Look at this. It's just amazing. And I think the beach got so much wider right now. It's fantastic. And what we also learned, this here is all from the Holiday Beach, from the hotel. The hotel is actually over there. And you can use everything here, also the beds, if you're in the hotel inside. And I don't know what this is. Love corner. Ooh. Look at this, Markus. It's a love corner. Is there someone? Oh my God. Okay, I gotta check that out. They have a love corner. They should have something for us like that. I want to have a podcast studio in the love corner. Ooh, look at this. They're preparing here. The love corner. We should go in there.
What is that? It's blind dates?
Huh?
Blind dates?
Yeah. Love corner. I love it. Yeah. It's kind of not packed, but it's pretty busy. Pretty busy. Because it's also not too hot. There are a little bit of clouds, just a little bit. And it doesn't feel that super hot. But it's actually perfect weather today. And I actually would love to go in the water. And here actually you cannot park here. Some people still do it. And sometimes they actually come here, the traffic police, with a pickup truck. And then they just tow everything. They tow every single bike they park here.
I think I've never saw so many just seating areas outside.
Mm.
And it's full.
Yeah. It's very busy. But also, the weather forecast says it's gonna rain soon and be cold for 2 days. But I don't believe it. It could have a little bit of a rain or could be a little bit more cooler, but that it's gonna change like drastically, I don't think so. And to be honest, 2 days of rain and cold, I would actually like it. In between, let's say 6 days of hot and heat, and then 1 day of cold and rain. Okay, I'll take
that
it.
would be amazing.
It would clean out the air. The pollution would be gone. The pollution is not that bad, but there's still something here. But it would be very beneficial for that. But you can see the water is so calm now. And this is what summer is about. The calm ocean. It's just beautiful. And look at this area here also. Isn't it amazing? I think this is one of my favorite spots here. Because here you have a little bit of a shade, but still.
Mostly because of the hotel.
Yes. So the hotel actually gives you shade. But yeah, it's a dream.
I like the breeze.
Okay guys, I actually like when the sun goes down a little bit and the hotels give you shade here. This is not the case in noontime, and now it's afternoon time. So the music gets louder and louder at the Maya, and the beach getting wider, so they're gonna expand their seating opportunities over there again. Ah, it looks good. All right, it's getting busy here, like a nightclub almost. Oh, doesn't it look nice to go into the water here? Yes. There's some surfing lessons going on in here. Marcus, are you ready to party?
What?
Marcus, are you ready to party? I'm gonna show you a little bit of those beach entrances. Also not gonna talk so much, so you can have a little bit of a vibe feeling here. What are the sounds here on the beach? And look at this beautiful entrance here. Look at this. It's welding something. It's kind of crazy. Lots of people in the water actually. And there's no real rules now. I feel like everyone can just go in the water wherever they want. That's pretty interesting. I don't see any lines or like... Look at this, Marcus, how romantic he looks with the heart in the background. He doesn't want to go on the sand anymore because he gets little sand in his shoes. Huh?
I don't care. I need new shoes for the beach, man.
Yeah. You need some Crocs.
Yes, I want to buy them.
You're 46 years old. I think you're
Yeah.
ready for that.
Now I have to start.
Yeah. Crocking around. You need those Crocs with like the off-road Crocs. So you can, maybe you can even swim with them, like you can float on them.
The survival Crocs,
Yeah, exactly.
you know?
Survival adventure Crocs. People are stretching here. This is surfing going on. It's very bad surfing right now. But still people are there and I mean, they try a little bit. I see a little bit, something going on.
I really have no clue about surfing, but maybe now it's a good time to learn
Yeah.
because of balancing and all this stuff.
Now it's actually very pretty and nice, clear water. So it's not that bad as when it's like very stormy and you don't know what's happening down there in the water. Yeah. Now we're already at Paradise, I mean. And the beach part getting wider and wider. I see that. I think a little bit more, maybe a few weeks. It's gonna be almost back to normal. Almost. Lots of people like to drink here as well. 50,000 dong pint. That's what they always say. Oh mate, it's 50,000 dong a pint. It's less. It's
at this.
one quid
If
50.
you want to go wild,
That's also,
try it
yeah.
already. Wow.
So they have draft beer. Draft beer, San Miguel Light. A pint. A pint, mate. Yeah. Shout out to my English people. And this also looks like it's getting better and better. Nice. It's getting better. Yes, the volleyball net is there, Marcus. The first two volleyball nets are back. This is the best sign you can have. So I saw the last time, it was literally, the water started at the end of the volleyball on the right side. But now the volleyball net is back. Now a little bit more and maybe we can have 4 in a row. 4 together. Then you know the beach is totally recovered. That's a very good sign.
Yeah.
And beach volleyball people can go back here and play. It's a little bit still empty because the sun is still out. Gotta be careful with the sun. But as soon as sun goes down a little bit further, the Nesta Hotel around that, then this is gonna be packed too.
Well, if you want to play volleyball, you have to go more north.
Yeah, that's
Because
also.
There's very active with volleyball, football,
Yeah.
just yoga, calisthenics.
Yep. And look at this, they have a golden pizza oven. Ooh la la. Fancy. They also upgraded. They got some wheels now. I still doubt that they are gonna go anywhere, but yeah, it's pretty. They upgraded all those street cars. It's like there was one campaign and like, yo, bro, you gotta upgrade your whip. And yeah, now everything
Or
looks
you
a little
have
bit
to
better.
dismantle, probably.
Yeah. All right. Okay, guys. So I hope this gives you a little bit of an idea what it is about in March in Da Nang Beach, Mi An Beach. Beautiful, very nice, and thank you so much for watching and check out this video and see you in the next one.